We're full. Well, we're not full. We got one left. We have 2 Hobby Direct cases of Zenith Hobby. The second, like I'll just keep saying it, the second FOTL gets to this place, it will hit the screen, along with Noir Basketball. They did have 2020. I thought it was 2021 that Zenith was created. This is an amazing break. This is a 4-boxer. Everything will ship here, obviously, because there's like 6 cards a break. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. And we'll go up high. We'll go here. It's a 4-boxer. Who's killing? Who's killing? Fort? Fort, send 23. $40. Okay, so it is its 3rd year. Doesn't matter. It's same shit. All right, let's go. So once again, everybody, the second FOTL Zenith comes, it will break, but we'll break this until then. I'm telling you, get your 2s. Get your PYT 2s and 3s. You know what, to be honest, let me get one of these out. All right. Okay. I don't even really know how this goes. We'll just go this way, I guess. Is that bottom card considered a base? I don't even know. Let's see. Okay. Interesting. Travis Etienne. All the cards are like holographic. It's really cool. All right. And unfortunately, I need different top loaders. Right? I'm going to need these. Because it's not going to be regulars. It's thicker. Travis Etienne for the Jaguars to start it. It's going to be thicker than a normal. Bo Melton to 50 rookie card. Artist proof. Wow, artist proof? Okay. They're copying hoops. They're doing hoops now. Artist proof. Interesting. That could be really good. We have a redemption. Kawhi Walker to 25 rookie auto. These cards are really hot. What is that? What is that of Patty? What is that? What is that? That's awesome. What does that say? Class president? 10th overall, round 1, Chiefs quarterback. Awesome. That's really cool. This is all new. They didn't have this last year. What's that? Thunder and lightning of the wrong guys on the team, except for Debo. Debo's right. Jimmy G is wrong. Pretty. This stuff's good. This stuff is good. All right, redemption. RPA. Here's your RPA for the box. It's Wan'Dale Robinson for the New York Football Giants. Giants. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's something on the bottom. And it's very gold. It's very gold. Javonte Williams, second year. Matt Corral. What is that? /50 rookie. I gotta back this out. Yeah, no wonder. Jackass. All right. This is such a great looking product. Being a RPA of Pickett to $2.99 for Phillip. Oh, this stuff is awesome. This stuff is awesome. All right, what is that? What size is that going to be? Is that going to be you? Please be you. It looks right. All right. Wait a minute. 2 RPAs in one box. Oh, tell me this isn't a correlation problem. Tell me this is just Hobby Direct. Desmond Ridder. You have both rookie quarterbacks. Both starting rookie quarterbacks in the 2022 class in one box for interstate breaks. I told you were going to like this product. Grab your 2s. This could be a glitch case. Rookie auto, Chad Muma to 10 for Jacksonville. What is that? No. No, 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 no. No, that's sick. To 50, CD Lamb Epics. Yes, it was a glitch box. Look at this. Look at this. For TJK, the Wyoming Wonder. Gold Josh Allen. Oh, this is sweet, dude. All right, I need a picture of this immediately. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Wow. Take your spots in all of it. This is going to fly. We're going to be done with it before... Oh, Jesus. How about the best receiver in football to 5? For the Vikings and Michael Ranieri. Eagle Mike. This stuff is the nuts. Arnold E to 10. And I know it. This isn't just a small sample size. This is going to be good. This is going to be really, really good. RPA of Damian Pierce. With great patches to 50. Boo just killed it. Wait, when? When did he do that, Zach? Oh, contenders. to 23, Davis Price. All good. Ray Lewis, class president for the Ravens. I like that insert. Oh, yes. Thunder and Lightning prism of the two stud rookies out of Michigan and Alabama. Oh my God, this stuff's great. Whoops, you made a mistake. Von Miller. Daniel Bellinger to 50. We had another redemption. Another redemption. Oh, very nice. Jahan Dotson to 20 auto for LJ Maya. You ask and you shall receive. Nice, LJ. Oh, that's so cool. I love it. I love it. Z-Stars of Cooper Kupp. Rookie Wave. I love it. It's the optic look. This is the optic insert look. Beautiful. Rookie Wave of Sky Moore for the Chiefs. And we have an RP. We have a redemption, and it's probably the RPA. This is cool. This is cool stuff. Z Jersey Auto. Jordan Brooks. Is that the Seattle linebacker? Yes, because it's not an RPA. That's Jordan Brooks from Seattle, right? Yeah, linebacker. Am I right or am I wrong? I think I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. He's actually really good. Jordan Brooks is actually really good. Okay, this break was insane. Take your teams in 1 through 6, because I think that's might be all we have for today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Quick recap, and we'll get into number 2. When it comes, 808. What up, Scratch? Hey, Scratch. Hey, man. Wandell RPA. Jordan Brooks for Seattle. Sky Moore with the optic card. Dotson to 20 auto rookie. To 23, Davis Price from Contenders. Hutchinson and Williams to 5. JJ. Ritter, RPA. Pierce, RPA. Kenny Pickett, RPA. And this is gross. Josh Allen, throwback gold. The Pacific throwback gold. That's awesome. I'm going to keep this out. It won't beat the sort, but I want to leave it out like that. That's such a cool card. That's the break. Great break. 2 is going to be next. I'm sure it's close to full.